In this video guide, I will provide you with detailed recommendations that will help you to remove intrusive advertisements that are coming from the site Inteukrestinaf.work. If you try to analyze the name of this website, it's obvious that it doesn't make any sense at all. The website is extremely malicious. It tries to make you click on the special Allow button integrated into it. But whenever people do that, when they agree with the proposal and click on Allow button, this moment the browser gets hijacked. First, it may be forwarded to some other questionable sites, and pretty soon people start getting the wide range of intrusive ads displayed as permanent and very annoying push notifications that will be shown in the right bottom part of the screen. So, if you have mistakenly clicked on that Allow button, you should implement certain browser fixes immediately. Some of these ads you already see in your screen. To block these ads, you should implement some browser fixes. So, access the menu of the browser, which looks as this circle with 3 vertical dots. Go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Then in Permissions, click on Notifications and pay careful attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find any malicious sites, you need to click on this related button and remove the malicious site from the list. Make sure you remove all these malicious sites, including this page we were talking about, Inteukrestinaf.work. So click on this button and remove the malicious site as well as other pages that might cause similar troubles. After you get rid of all of these deceptive resources, the problem should be fixed. I also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. After you download and install the software, start investigating your device with its help. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other infections which could be hidden on your Windows computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So, after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.